Welcome to Rune Conversations, where ancient wisdom becomes practical power. If you are ready to think clearly, act consciously, and strengthen your own sphere of influence, you are in the right place. Have you ever felt that there is more to life than just understanding it? Not more information, not more knowledge, but something you can actually work with, something that changes how you experience yourself and the world. That is where the Rune Path begins. Welcome back to Rune Conversations. This channel is not about mythology. It is not about collecting symbols, and it's definitely not about memorizing meanings. It's about something much more practical. It's about learning how to work with life itself through structure, through practice, and through awareness. And today I want to speak directly to you. If you are standing at an edge, considering whether to step onto the Rune Path. So let me ask you again, what if the change you're looking for is not something you need to understand, but something you need to practice? The first thing to understand is this. When you begin working with the runes, you are not alone. There is a continuity to this work. People have walked this path before you. Others are walking it now. And the moment you begin, you step into that current, not as a follower, but as a participant. Very early on, you'll hear something in your study, something like this. The runes relate to creative energies of the universe. Now, that can sound very abstract, but it's actually very practical. Think of a realm as an ordered space, a way in which things function. And these energies are not static. They move, they interact, they transform, they build, they break down, and they reshape. Rune work is not about observing this. It's about stepping into it consciously. Here is where many people get it wrong. The runes are not the forces themselves. They are keys. They give you access to specific qualities of life, specific patterns, specific movements. And this is important. The runes do not replace your power. They connect you to it. You don't submit to the runes. You work with it. Your energy, your agency remains central to you. You take accountability for it, that you are responsible for your own life, and you remain responsible for your own life. This path is not built on understanding. It's built on practice. You practice, you begin to understand, you start to embody, and over time, you begin to master it. Not perfectly, but steadily. Without practice, nothing moves. Without consistency, nothing deepens. What starts as effort becomes rhythm, and what feels external becomes part of who you are. As you continue, a structure begins to reveal itself. Power, tools, method, advancement. The runes represent power. They become tools in your hands. But tools are not enough. You need method, a way to work with them. And from that comes advancement. Not just for yourself, but in how you show up in the world. Another realization is that the runes are not isolated. They form a system. They stand in a sequence. Each rune has its place, its role, and its relationship with others. This is not about collecting meanings, it's about entering a structured process of development when you work with the runes. You may have guidance on this path, a teacher, a mentor, a fellow practitioner, and that support matters. But no one can walk the path for you. No one can practice on your behalf. This is where responsibility comes in. A rune path that stays in theory never becomes real. It must be lived. As you go deeper, something shifts. You begin to cross thresholds, moments where you know something inside has changed. Not because someone told you to change, but because you feel it. You see differently. You act differently. And that is initiation. Not a title, not a ceremony, not a symbol, but an inner recognition. So if you feel that pull, you don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need certainty. You don't need perfection. You only need to begin, to take that first step, and then continue. Because this path is not about becoming something else. It's more about becoming more fully what you already are. If this resonates with you, then you're already standing at the door. Step through. This is Rune Conversations, and this is where we practice the path. If today's Rune Conversation gave you insight, practice it, share in the comments how this conversation speaks to you. I respond personally. Subscribe if you are committed to walking this path rune by rune. Until next time, walk in clarity.